Hello again. My name is Paige and this is Joven. We are from Holy Cross School and we are going to make harmonicas. The objective of this is that when you hum into the harmonica, it makes sound. This is because of the pressure that is acting upon the piece of paper and that is rubbing against the actual popsicle stick. So what you need are 2 popsicle sticks, 2 toothpicks cut up, and when you're cutting with scissors, ask for parent supervision because when you're cutting up the popsicle sticks, the toothpicks, they tend to fly around. 2 rubber bands and a strip of paper that can fit into your popsicle stick. First, you take 1 popsicle stick and you put the piece of paper in between, aligned perfectly. Then you place your other popsicle stick on top. Next, you take one of your rubber bands and tie one side or one end of your popsicle stick sandwich. When you're done, move it a bit closer to the edge. Now you take one of your popsicle sticks and you slide it in really close to the other rubber band where it stops. When you're done, you take your other rubber band and you tie the other end too. Now you take your last toothpick and you slide it in on top like you did before, all the way to the other end, all nice and snug. When you're done, you can now blow. And then if you want to have a higher sound, bite on your harmonica and blow. Like that. Thank you.